Example 3. Factor x squared minus 3x, which is 10. First step, make the right 0 by subtracting 10 from both sides. Factor x minus 5 times x plus 2. So x is 5 because 5 minus 5 is 0. Or x is negative 2 because negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And 0 times any number is 0. Factor x times x plus 8, which is negative 15. First add 15 to both sides. Factor the left side, x plus 3 is 0, x plus 5 is 0. So x is either negative 3 or x is negative 5. Example 5. A sheet of paper measures 11 inches by 8 inches. A uniform border surrounds the printed material. What is the size of the uniform border if the printed material is 54 square units? Let x be the measurement of the uniform border. Then you have 11 minus x, 11 minus 2x on one side for the length. And for the width, you have 8 minus x on top, minus x on the bottom. So 8 minus 2x for the printed material, which you can crank out like this when you distribute, which is supposed to be 54 square units. So where you have an equation, you subtract 54 from both sides to get a 0. You factor out the greatest common factor like 2. You can forget about the 2. You can divide by 2 if you want to. And you factor the trinomial that is left here. That becomes x times x minus 1, which you can factor out by collecting these two terms after splitting up the negative 19 as negative 2x minus 17x. So factoring out the x minus 1, you get 2x minus 17. So either x is equal to 1 and a uniform border of 1 possibly, or x is 8.5. Now that is not possible. That is more than the width. So that you can forget about completely. So the border is 1 inch. The uniform border is 1 inch.